Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about activities, right? And what is the difference between sympathy and empathy, right? Why I explained about sympathy and empathy means we have to understand about emotions because it is connected to this one. Guess the emotion activity. This is one of the best activities for getting others' reactions, other people reactions or emotions. We can easily understand which type of situation it may occur. According to that, which type of reactions or emotions we have to show, we can understand from this activity. Okay, we can learn lot of emotions from this activity. Now guess the emotion activity is very important. First, again, guessing. Guessing means what we don't know we have to get or we have to say, that is called guessing, right? If anybody asks any question, we don't know the answer but we know approximately, like doubtful, 50% we know or 50% we don't know. That is the way. If we expect that answer, that is called guessing, right? Here guess the emotion means, emotions means we know, emotion means expressions, feelings, that is angry or hungry or any sadness, happiness, everything is called emotion. Here we can show on our face, right? Here guess the emotion topic is very interesting because communication is interlinked with emotions also. Facial expressions are very important. I said body language we easily understand, and according to the situation we know how to stand or how to sit, how to talk according to that hand movements and everything, right? Eye contact also we can easily observe because one person is talking in front of us, we need to show our eye contact, of course. And voice of tone or tone of voice is also we can easily maintain. If any serious situation is there, we need to shout. Otherwise, if normal situation is there, we need to talk in a normal way. These are emotions, but here facial expressions are very important. It plays a major role in communication. Now here guess the emotion topic. Let me take same 10 members. Then let me divide into two teams, 5 plus 5 members. Now first team, let me pick here cards, just 10, right? Okay, 10 cards I'll put on a table. Okay, 10 cards I'll put on a table. Then here these 10 cards is about emotions, angry, hungry or happiness, sadness, lot of things here. Let me write on that, and they have to one by one from this team, one person should come here, one person should come onto the stage, and they need to pick one card. Pick one card, one person pick one card, and he will act here. Act about angry is there, he has to show his angerness. That acting emotion he has to show, express his anger. Then they need to observe and they need to say the answer. That is called guessing activity. Understand my point? From this they can easily understand this is the situation or which type of emotions or which type of reactions we can understand from others. That is called guessing activity. Understand my point? First నేను guessing activity లోని ఇది guessing emotion లో 10 members ని తీసుకుంటాను. 5 plus 5 2 teams ని డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నా. అండ్ హియర్ ఫస్ట్ 5 members లోని ఒక పర్సన్ వస్తాడు. ఒక పర్సన్ వచ్చి నేను ఇక్కడ 10 కార్డ్స్ పెడతాను. 10 కార్డ్స్ దే నీడ్ టు పిక్. ఒక పిక్ చేసుకుంటారు, ఒక కార్డు తీసి దాని మీద ఒక ఇమోషన్ రాసి ఉంటుంది, ఒక ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. ఆ ఇమోషన్ అన్నది వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. మీన్స్ వితౌట్ టాకింగ్ దే నీడ్ టు యాక్ట్. Happiness is there, they need to smile or anything, they need to do some body language or activity, right? Expression they can easily. Now e 5 people or e 4 members, remaining 4 members, they need to observe and they need to say the answer. ఈ 4 members అతను ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, ఏ ఇమోషన్ చూపిస్తున్నాడు అనే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ గెస్సింగ్ యాక్టివిటీ. గెస్సింగ్ ద ఇమోషన్. ఎందుకంటే ఈ ఇమోషన్ యాక్టివిటీ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ అని చెప్తున్నానంటే, ఈ ఇమోషన్ టాపిక్ ద్వారా మనం అదర్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ చాలామంది ఇతరుల యొక్క మనం ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ కానీ ఇమోషన్స్ కానీ రియాక్షన్స్ ఓకే ఈ విధంగా ఉంటాయి అని అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది కూడా కమ్యూనికేషన్లో మెయిన్ పార్ట్. ఇట్ ప్లేస్ ఎ వైటల్ రోల్ ఇన్ అవర్ కమ్యూనికేషన్. వెన్ ఎవర్ వీ కమ్యూనికేట్ విత్ అదర్స్, then it is very important emotions. By using sentiment or by using lot of sad situations, by using different happiness or anger, hunger, lot of emotions are there. By using this only, maximum people they used to manage. So these are the very important emotions we need to understand. We need to learn from others how we have to show. If you are going for any film industry, right, any film industry also, this is very very important. If you want to be an actor, then here you must know the facial expressions, right? ఒక అక్కడ సిచ్యువేషన్ లేకపోయినా కూడా ఐ మీన్ అలా మనం యాక్ట్ చేయగలగాలి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎమోషన్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు బి అన్ యాక్టర్ ఆర్ యాక్ట్రెస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనం ఒక యాక్టర్ కానీ యాక్టర్స్ కానీ అవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే మాత్రం ఇమోషన్స్ అనేవి రావాలి. డైలాగ్ ఎవరైనా చెప్తారు. సో హియర్ ఫేషియల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇట్ ప్లేస్ ఎ వైటల్ రోల్. బై దిస్ ఓన్లీ వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ మేక్ అదర్ పీపుల్ స్మైల్ ఆర్ లాఫ్ ఆర్ like sad, everything we can do, right? If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.